Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 Nissan Murano Platinum all-wheel drive. This one's red. Underneath there's a 3.5 V6 with 260 horsepower and 240 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 20-inch wheels. The tires are in good condition. Black leather interior, panorama sunroof, Murano Platinum all-wheel drive badging, trailer hitch, power liftgate, a clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, 60/40 fold-down rear seats, keyless entry, memory seats, wood trim, power seats, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, a push-start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera with sensors, USB ports, automatic transmission, heated and cooled seats. This Nissan Murano has 9,664 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Nissan Murano Platinum, check out feldmanimports.com.